Hi, I'd like to welcome you to the audience participation portion of our program. Tonight we'll be playing a game that some of you may know as dodgeball, but what was affectionately referred to on my school ground as Smear the Queer.
Yeah, you do.
Anyone over here? Anyone?
Come on. Don't be shy. We don't got a light.
Anyone else?
Come on. Anyone else?
Anyone?
Come on. Come on. The more the merrier.
There you go.
No way. This is totally lame.
Okay, so the object of the game basically is people with balls. You are going to aim for the two people in the center, and the point is to inflict as much bodily harm as possible. When I call time, stop, go back to your seats. Okay? Ready? Go!
Yeah, right, come on.
You suck! You suck! You suck! Oh, you suck! Come on, come on, come on! You suck, you suck! You suck, you suck, you suck, you suck! You suck! You suck!
Ready, clear?
Yes! I win! Hey, you dance for me! What are you doing?